software testing. I mean, as part of this particular training program, we need to get comfortable in understanding how exactly we can take care about in testing with particular software. As we got the heading of software testing, what kind of software need to be tested? What kind of software you are going to test? It can be any kind of software. So you may take care about in testing with any kind of software. It's not like you have been restricted any software related to Java or related to .NET or related to Python or any other technology. As part of this particular testing training program, you are taking care about in understanding with the test with any kind of software. That application can be developed in .NET or application can be developed in Java or any other technology. Whatever it can be, your target is you need to be taking care about in understanding how exactly we can take care about to test with any of the software. Because your testing activity, on which basis you will go with your testing activity? On which basis you have to do the testing? Based on client requirements. It's not like you're taking care about to test by your own. You have to take care about in understanding the client requirements. The client will take care about in providing all the requirements in format of documents. You have to take care about in understanding all that particular requirements. Once we take care about in understanding all that particular requirements according to that particular client requirements, we need to take care about in testing with software. That is what in simple we used to mentioning the testing the application based on client requirements. We are not worried about how exactly developer has been developing the application. It can develop in .NET or Java, any technology. We are not worried about what kind of logic they have been written and what kind of coding they done. Our target client has been providing the requirements. According to that particular requirements, we need to take care about in confirming or testing that application has been working correctly or not. Because if I'm taking with this particular IT industry, or if I'm taking with IT companies, what is the purpose of IT companies? What is the use of IT companies? Yeah. Knowing about IT companies, right? Software companies. What exactly the use of software companies? Yeah. What is your training program? What is it? What is it? Software testing. Okay. Who has been taking care about to develop that software? Developers. Where developers will be working? in software companies, right? Or hardware companies? Software companies only. Not like developers are working in hardware, testers are working in software. It's not like that, right? It can be developers or it can be testers taking care about in working in software companies, nothing but IT companies. So considering the target, the purpose of any IT companies taking care about in developing with software. That is what the main purpose and the main use of IT companies here. Any IT company can be level 5, level 4, level 3, or level 2, and level 1. Any kind of IT companies, they have been taking care about in developing with software. To take care about developing the software, they need to be get followed the steps of, what are the steps? STLC. Meaning of STLC? What is it? Software development life cycle. So it can be any kind of IT companies. It can be any type of IT companies. They need to be get taken care about and followed the steps of STLC, considering the software development life cycle. So as part of STLC, what is the first activity? Yeah, I'm getting multiple answers. First activity, requirements gathering. The very first activity as part of STLC, considering the requirements gathering. Okay. After that, what is it? Requirement analysis. Okay. After that, what is it? Design. After that, what is it? Coding. And then testing. And then live environment or production. So may take care about any kind of IT companies. They have to take care about in performing this particular step. But if I'm taking, or if we consider all these particular steps, is it done by one person? Is it all activities done by one person? No, it's not like all these activities has been taken care by one particular person. That is what we are able to say that different type of job roles here. In the requirements gathering, requirement analysis, and then design. These activities are taken care by business analyst, or we can say that SME. Meaning of SME, subject matter expert, or we can say that Scrum Master. What is it? Scrum Master. These three activities are taken care by BA or SME or Scrum Master. Don't be confused like requirements gathering by BA, requirement analysis SME, and design Scrum Master. One of the batch has been decided the same thing. It's not like each and everything for each and everyone. All the job roles are same. We got different terminologies. Either we can call as BA, or we can call as SME, or we can call as Scrum Master. All the job roles are same. These three particular job roles are same. If I'm taking these particular job role, taking care about and doing the activity of requirements gathering and requirement analysis and taking care about design. This is, all these three activities are taken care by this particular job role. Along with that, we got coding. This coding activity taken care by developer. And then we got testing. The testing activity taken care by tester. So as part of your understanding, if we consider this particular IT industry, what are the minimum job roles? BA, developer, and tester. The minimum job role. The minimum job role of this particular IT industry, we can say that BA, and we can consider developer, and we can consider tester. The minimum job roles of any of IT companies, it's mandated that taking care about in having with these particular job roles here. Now, we are not worried about the job role, and we are not worried about the developer job role, and we need to begin taking care about tester. So actual training program taking care about in doing the activities of tester. That is what you got in a main heading. What is the main heading you got? What is the heading you got? Software testing. As part of this particular training program, we need to take care about in understanding that how exactly we can take care about in performing or doing this activities of software testing. So according to our understanding, this particular software testing we are taking care about in performing in the two ways. What are the two ways we got? One is manual testing, and another one, what is it? Automation testing. Both are related to software testing. It's not like two things are different. Both are related to software testing. As part of software testing, we need to take care about in having manual testing and taking care about automation testing. Both are testing only. Manual testing, you are making sure that that application should be working fine. And then automation testing also, you are making sure that the application should be working fine. Manual testing, you are making sure that application should be working fine. At the same time, automation testing also, you are making sure that application should be working fine. As both the things, both are, you are making sure that application should be working correctly as part of manual and as part of automation. As part of manual and as part of automation, both are, you are making sure that application should be working fine. Then what exactly make you the difference here? Manual testing, you are making sure that application should be working correctly. Automation testing also, you are making sure that application should be working correctly. I mean, both the testings you are performing to make sure that application should be working correctly. As both are same, why exactly we got two things here? In that, in simple, if I'm taking with manual testing, meaning of manual testing? Meaning of manual testing. That is done by developer. Automation testing done by tester. No. Manual testing, manual, sir. Automation testing, automation. No. Say that. Both the things we are considering the taking with testing. Manual testing, you are taking care about doing the testing activity. Automation testing, you are taking care about doing the testing. But what exactly make you the difference? In simple, manual testing, we need to be get mentioned that testing done by human interactions. Manual testing, testing done by human interactions. Nothing but human beings. For the human beings, who are the human beings, guys? Yeah. You guys are thinking about it. Who are the human beings? No answer, guys. We are human beings, right? Any doubt in that? Then why you guys are thinking about it? Today is Friday, sir. We are thinking about weekend plan, sir. You are asking questions in the classroom, sir. No weekend plan, sir. No weekend plan, sir. Only study, we have to get jobs, sir. Then only we'll go for weekend plan, sir. Okay. Let's see that how many people will come tomorrow then. Okay. See the understanding? If I'm taking with manual testing, we need to be get mentioned that testing done by human interactions. I mean, we have to take care about, we need to take care about in performing that particular testing. Like as a human beings, we have to take care about in opening the application, in entering the data, performing different activities, navigating to different pages, and confirming that application has been working correctly or not. So in simple, we used to be get mentioning that that particular manual testing, we can say that testing done by human interactions. In the same way, we got automation testing. So the meaning of automation testing, we need to be get mentioned that testing done by tools. Both are testing, both activities, making sure that application should be working correctly. In case of manual testing, we have to perform. In case of automation testing, tool has to be performed. Manual testing, mentioning the testing done by human interactions. Automation testing, testing done by tools. That particular tool, we mentioned it. What is it? Selenium. So that particular automation tool, as part of our training program, we used to be get mentioned that Selenium. So now the concept is we need to be take care about software testing. This particular software testing, right? Say that. So if I'm taking with this particular software testing, we need to be consider two things here. One is manual testing and another one automation testing. So as part of our training program, we need to be take care about both the things. We have to take care about how we can perform manual testing, and at the same time, we'll take care about how we can perform with automation testing. So to go with the easy understanding, thus manual testing, we need to be take care about in learning with the help of real-time project. To go with the easy understanding, the manual testing, we need to be take care about in taking with the help of real-time project. In the same way, automation testing also, we need to be take care about in working with the help of one of real-time project. I mean, manual testing, you're taking care about with the help of one project, and automation testing also you're taking care about with the help of real-time project. By that, as part of this particular training program, how many projects will complete? 2 projects. One project in manual testing and another project in automation testing. So 100% you are taking care about in completing with 2 projects. 100% will take care about in completing with 2 projects here. One project I'll take care about in manual testing, and one project I'll take care about in automation testing. If required, I'll take care about. If required, I'll take care about in having with one more project. I mean, based on that particular requirement, I'll try to take care about one more project here. So by that, we'll try to complete 3 projects here. But mandatory of, I'll take care about 2 projects here. But one more project as depends on it. But definitely we'll take care about in completing with 2 projects here. So and then if I'm taking with this particular manual testing, as part of manual testing, what are the things you are going to learn? No. As part of manual, if I'm taking with this manual testing, you got taking care about in having with white box testing. And try just some. See that. So the one you are taking with white box testing. Another one. Right. Black box testing. So the one you will be taking with white box testing and then taking with black box testing, and similar to that you will be taking with gray box testing. So the one you are taking care about white box testing and then taking care about in having with black box testing and then taking care about gray box testing. So if I'm taking with this particular white box testing, meaning of white box testing, testing done by developer, testing done by developer related to code level. So if I'm taking with this particular respective white box testing, we need to be get mentioned that testing done by developer related to code level. In the same way, you got black box testing. Meaning of black box testing? Testing done by tester related to functionality level. So if I'm taking with white box testing, taking care by developer. So developer has been taking care about and doing the white box testing. In the same way, you got black box testing, taking care by tester related to functionality level. In the same way, you got gray box testing. Meaning of that gray box testing? What is it? Combine of white color, black color. Huh? No. Huh? Combine of white color, black color. Which color you will get? Black you will get. Huh? Uh-huh. Ah. Oh, see that. So if we consider this particular gray box testing, so what exactly that particular gray box testing? Assume that you guys are doing the training program. What is the training program you are doing? What is it? Software testing. As part of software testing, I'll take care about in learning with performing black box testing. Assume that you may have some of your friends who has been starting their career as a developer. If they start their career as a developer has been taking care about in doing that particular white box testing. Perfectly okay. So they may work for 1 year or 2 years as a developer. They'll work as a developer for 1 year or 2 years. After that, there is a chance of they'll feel like development is difficult and they can convert as a tester. Once they got converted as a tester, they will be knowing to take care about black box testing. As already they worked as a developer, they will be knowing white box testing. I mean, the person having with the knowledge of white box testing and taking with this particular black box testing, we can consider that gray box tester. or gray box testing. In simple, as I mentioned, combination of white box testing and black box testing, we can consider that gray box testing. The person having the knowledge of that particular white box testing and having the knowledge of black box testing. I mean, as a person worked as a developer and converted as a tester, that flexibility is there. So as he got having the knowledge of white box testing and at the same time the knowledge of black box testing, he can easily work as gray box tester. So that is what you need to be taking care about gray box testing. A very rare cases, you can see some of specific job openings related to this particular gray box testers here. But you are not worried about all these things here as part of your main target, taking care about black box testing. So we are not worried about white box testing and we are not worried about taking with gray box testing. We are taking care about black box testing. That particular black box testing, it got divided into two types. What are those? Functional testing. What is it? Non-functional testing. This particular black box, it's divided into functional testing and then non-functional testing. Your main importance related to functional testing or non-functional? Functional or non-functional? Functional. You have been mainly taking care about related to functional testing activities. We have non-functional testing also, but which we are not preferred, the non-functional testing. Once he got comfortable to get work as functional tester, very easily he can take care about to work as non-functional tester. As an example, what we mentioned, performance testing and taking with security testing. Not like restricted of only these two here. We are having lot of other testings also, but we can say that performance testing and security testing, which will come under non-functional testing. In the same way, we got taking care about functional testing. What are the things of functional testing? Smoke testing, sanity testing, retesting. What is it? Regression testing, alpha testing, beta testing. Once beta testing completed, then the project will move into live environment or production. So what exactly mean by all these particular things? Everything you will understand. How exactly we can take care about all these activities, everything I'll get understand as part of the training. For now, just take care about looking into the respective terminology. Just take care about that particular respective terminology as part of our functional testing. You have been taking care about in implementing or in performing smoke testing, sanity testing, retesting, regression testing, alpha testing, and beta. But not like only these things. We have lot of other testings also there. We are having lot of other testing activities are there, but mainly we need to take care about, mainly we need to be taking care about in doing with this particular testing. But for performing all these particular testing, to perform all these particular testing, you have been taking care about in following the steps of what is it? Software testing life cycle. You have been taking care about in performing the steps of STLC. That particular steps of STLC you have been taking care about in learning with the help of project. So that is what exactly your project testing will be started. So as part of that project testing or as part of the STLC activities, first step you are taking care about, what is it? Requirements understanding. Be very clear here. As part of STLC, what is the first step? Requirements gathering, because that is development activity. You have to take care about in developing with the software. Because of that, you are taking care about the requirements gathering. But we are not worried about development activity, taking care about the testing. So as part of testing, first what we have to do? Requirements understanding. So once we got clear about requirements understanding, then coming up with, what is it? Test plan. After that, what is it? Test scenarios. After that, what is it? Test cases. And then test execution. Okay. After that, what is it? Bug reporting. Okay. Bug reporting and retesting. What is the last activity? What is the last activity? What is it? Test closure. So as part of STLC, you need to take care about in performing all these particular steps. So whenever you are taking care about these particular one, you have to take care about in performing all these particular activities. I mean, once you start your project testing, once your project testing has been started, as part of your project testing related to that project, you have to take care about in understanding requirements. First, you'll take care about in understanding the requirements. Once we got clear about requirements, he'll come up with the plan. And as part of tester, you guys need to come up with in preparing the scenarios. What is mean by that? Everything you will understand. But that is what you have been taking care about as part of this particular tester job role. As part of manual testing job role, you need to take care about in preparing with test scenarios, preparing test cases, doing with execution, and then bug reporting and retesting. After that, test closure. So all the activities you need to be taking care about as part of this particular respective manual testing. Along with all these things, you need to be taking care about and utilizing the zero tool as part of manual, not automation. As part of manual, you need to be comfortable taking care about in utilizing that particular tool. Along with that, in manual testing, you are taking care about in having with, you need to be take care about in having STLC, real-time process. As part of manual, you need to take care about in understanding what exactly the real-time process need to be followed as part of STLC. Along with that, you need to take care about in having with STLC models. As part of STLC models, taking care about waterfall model and then V model and taking care about agile. So as part of STLC models, you need to take care about waterfall model, V model and then agile. We have other things over there, spiral model, incremental model, prototype model, lot of other models are there, but mainly we are taking care about and discussing with waterfall model and then V model and taking care about agile. So as part of your whole manual testing, as part of your whole manual testing, you guys need to be comfortable. You guys need to be comfortable taking care about in understanding with all these particular concepts with the respective of project level. So that is what I've been mentioning, that you're going to learn manual testing with the help of project. Not like project will start in next month or other things. Maximum of in the next week. I'll take care about in starting with the project. All these manual concepts you are going to learn with the help of project level. Once all the things are done with manual, then we'll take care about in starting with what is it? Automation testing. Not like directly automation testing. I'm not going to start directly automation testing. As part of this is a very new batch, I'm taking care about first starting with manual. Without learning manual testing, directly you can't take care about automation testing. Because of that, first I'll make sure that you are getting comfortable manual testing with the help of the project. Once you got comfortable with manual testing, then we are taking care about automation testing. So we need to be taking care about automation testing. That particular automation testing, you are taking care about Selenium with the help of project. Manual, different project. Automation, different project. Not like both are same. Manual, taking care about totally different project, and automation, taking care about totally different project. As part of automation testing, as part of automation testing, first I'm taking care about in giving the details of automation introduction. First, I'm taking care about in explaining the concepts of automation introduction. I mean, why automation testing? Because you're already taking care about manual testing. In manual testing, you're already making sure that application should be working correctly. As part of manual testing, you are already making sure that application should be working correctly. As already you done manual, in manual, as you are making sure that application should be working correctly, why exactly this automation testing coming into the picture? So why exactly this particular automation testing is coming into the picture? I mean, why automation testing? Why exactly automation testing has been required? Why automation testing? When we need to start automation testing, drawbacks of manual testing, advantages of automation testing, all the basics. First, I'll take care about in getting comfortable all the basics of automation concepts, very basics. Once we got comfortable with automation basics, then I'll take care about and start with core Java. It's not like day one of automation, you are writing the code in Selenium. I'll not taking care about directly writing the code in Selenium. Before writing the code in Selenium, as part of automation testing, first I'll take care about in making you comfortable with the basics. Automation introduction. First, I'll make you comfortable in understanding what is automation, why automation, when automation need to be started, drawbacks of manual, advantages of automation, all that basics I'll take care about in the first part. And then I'll take care about in giving with the concepts of core Java related to Selenium, not like related to developer. Developer is totally different. We are not worried about in detail of programming. Manual testing, any programming is there? The whole manual, zero programming. The whole manual testing, zero programming. You are not taking care about in writing with any single line of code. Automation testing, we require basic knowledge. That automation testing, we require basic concepts of core Java. Because of that, as part of our training program for Selenium, how much core Java concepts has been required, that I'll take care of it. You guys don't be worried about on that. As part of our training program, I'll take care about the concepts related to the core Java. First, I'll explain that. First, I'll make you comfortable with core Java concepts here. After that, I'll take care about in getting started with actual Selenium. That is what you are taking care about. What is it? Selenium WebDriver. So it's not like directly I'm starting the Selenium. First, automation introduction, core Java concepts related to Selenium, and then we'll start with Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium WebDriver is your actual concepts of the Selenium. So there you have to take care about in writing the programs. First, I'll make you comfortable in writing basic programs. First, I'll make you comfortable in writing basic programs in Selenium. After that, I'll take care about the advanced level of programs in Selenium. First, I'll start with basic programs and then I'll move to advanced level of Selenium programs here. So by that, you'll get comfortable. You will get comfortable in writing with the programs in Selenium WebDriver. Once he got comfortable in writing with the programs in Selenium WebDriver, then I'll take care about in starting with the very most important concept, that is what taking care about. What is it? Automation frameworks. Step by step you will understand. Not like all the things in one day, not like you'll get expertise in one day. I'll take care about in learning the concepts on step by step. First, I'll make you comfortable with Selenium basic program and then advanced program. And then I'll move to the very most important concept of automation frameworks, the very main important one. As part of automation frameworks, taking care about STLC framework, and then I'll take care about hybrid framework and taking care about POM framework. What is meant by all those things you'll understand. Just today, look into the terminologies. All online students also, just take care about the terminologies in understanding what are the concepts you are going to learn. As part of automation frameworks, taking care about the STLC framework, hybrid framework, and taking care about POM. Along with these things, you have been taking care about in learning with Log4j, and then taking care about in learning with Jenkins, and then I'll take care about GitHub. Everything related to Selenium. Selenium with Log4j, Selenium with Jenkins, Selenium with GitHub. So all the concepts you are going to learn with the respective of Selenium. So step by step, I learn it. Apart from this, you are taking care about in doing with Maven and taking care about in learning with Cucumber with the combination of BDD framework. Taking care about Maven, along with Maven, taking care about the Cucumber with the combination of BDD framework. Apart from this, you are taking care about in having with Auto IT and taking care about in having with Sicoli. I mean, as part of Selenium automation or as part of automation testing. As part of automation testing, you need to be taking care about in understanding automation introduction, taking with core Java concepts, and then Selenium WebDriver, basic and advanced programs. After that, automation frameworks. What are the frameworks you will get? TestNG framework, hybrid framework, and PYM framework. Along with that, Log4j, Jenkins, GitHub. Along with that, Maven, Cucumber with BDD framework. And then finally, AutoIT and Sequoia. By this, it'll complete with the whole manual testing with the help of project and the whole automation testing with the help of project. Once these two things has been completed, after that, we are taking care about in starting with API testing. That API testing using Postman and rest assured. You are taking care about in having that particular respective API testing using Postman and rest assured. As part of API testing also, this Postman you are understanding with the respective of manual testing. Rest assured, you are understanding with the respective of automation testing. Because any kind of testing, we can go with manual and automation. So because of that, as part of API testing, you are taking care about that API testing using Postman. You'll understand the concepts with the respect of manual testing. And then rest assured with the respect of automation testing. And then we'll take care about in having with in starting with database testing. The database testing using SQL. I mean, I'll take care about how exactly you can write different type of query statement as part of SQL, as part of tester, not like developer, as part of tester, how exactly we can take care about in writing with different type of query statement that you need to be taking care about in having with this particular respective database testing. So that we got API testing and taking care about database testing using SQL. Okay. After that, what is it? Performance testing. That particular performance testing using JMeter. So that particular performance testing you are taking care about in using with JMeter. So this is what you are taking care about, that API testing, database testing, and taking care about performance testing. And finally, we'll come up with taking care about ChatGPT for software testing, for manual and automation. The ChatGPT, how exactly